on my old tin roof. Rain been falling softly, bringing back the truth. I hear your voice in every drop that falls, like you're still walking through these lonely halls. This old guitar is trembling in my hands, playing songs about love I couldn't understand. My voice is weak, but my heart still knows. Some memories bloom when the cold rain flows. I thought the years would teach me to forget, but some old loves ain't finished with you yet. So I sit here listening while the night turns gray, letting every raindrop carry yesterday away. I remember your smile when the whole world felt cold. I remember your hand when my hands couldn't hold. We didn't have much, but we had enough. Two tired hearts trying to call it love. Now I'm an old man with these memories near, carrying your laughter through another year. I don't ask the Lord to bring the past back home. I just thank Him for the love I've known. And when this rain falls hard against my door, I know those memories ain't gone anymore. They live in these blues, they live in this song. They'll walk beside me when the night gets long.